Lately I've been thinking about the choices I've made.
Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well, and today we are going to be doing an Urbanic haul. Urbanic hauls are something that everyone wants right now because apparently Urbanic is being considered as kind of a replacement for Shein, even though the prices for Shein were a lot lesser, but Urbanic has slightly increased prices, I believe. But to be very honest, I believe that Shein is gone for good because none of us want to indulge ourselves in ultra fast fashion. I understand that for a lot of us it's not practical to completely let go of fast fashion, but for ultra fast fashion brands like Shein, I believe we can cut down our consumption on that a little bit. So in today's video, I have 6 items from Urbanic for you guys. I did not go ahead and shop for a ton of things because this was my first time shopping at the site, and I just wanted to try out a couple of products from each category so I could give you guys a completely honest and transparent review from each of the categories that I shopped from. So before we start the video, please don't forget, like always, to like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to tell me in the comment section down below how your experience of shopping with Urbanic has been so far. And now without further ado, let's dive right in.
If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city.
So I didn't really have a lot of hopes when it came to Urbanic, to be very honest, because I had never heard of it before, and surprisingly I was really impressed by the kind of quality that they had with the clothes that I received. I think out of the 6-7 items that I purchased, there was only one item that I returned, and I will be showing you guys the same item in this haul as well. So when it comes to packaging, Urbanic sends in your goodies in these kind of plastic Ziploc bags. I don't think I'm really a fan of these kind of packaging because we don't really want to generate more plastic waste as we order, because I feel that they could have easily sent all the goodies in one single packet like Amazon, Flipkart and Myntra websites like these do. I don't think we need extra Ziploc bags like these. I'm not sure if these are biodegradable, but if they are not, then I think this is something that Urbanic can really cut down on. And now, starting from the first item that I'm wearing right now is this really nice and cute halter neck top. It is actually backless. You will have to wear a halter neck or a strapless bra with this one. The best part about this top that I really like is that it is not see-through at all. Also, I've really been into ribbed sort of materials lately, so this is also ribbed, which is also something that I really like. And overall, I would say a really nice purchase. If you are not comfortable going for backless tops like these ones, you can check out other options at Urbanic as well. They do have similar kind of options which are not backless, and I think this is something that would look really beautiful, maybe with a plain Georgette or organza black or white sari. So yes, definitely looking forward to wearing this as a blouse very, very soon.
I guess I'll never know, never know.
Now for jewelry, I ordered these beautiful pearl earrings. I had been looking to invest in really nice and long pearl hoops. I also checked out Amazon actually for these kind of pearl earrings, but I don't know, I just did not like the ones that were available on Amazon. So this is what they look like. I think they can make for a pretty good statement piece when you want to elevate a basic outfit. In fact, you know what, I think I'm going to be wearing the same earrings right now throughout the video. I hope that it looks good with the top that I'm wearing. We'll find out. I think the first time that I tried them on, I really like them, and so I am just crossing my fingers and hoping that they look just as good as they did when I tried them on for the first time. Moving on, I also ordered myself a tie-dye quad set. Now, I had been looking for tie-dye quad sets for the longest time, and when I found them on Urbanic, it was like an absolute dream come true. But unfortunately, when it arrived, I was really disappointed in the quality that it had because it was a really bad polyester nylon kind of material. I don't have it here to show you guys because I had to return it. Urbanic apparently has a return period of only 10 days. So if you're ordering in, please remember that you will have to return whatever you like within 10 days. And now that we're talking about returns, I think I'm also going to quickly tell you guys about the return process that Urbanic has. The process is absolutely free. The executive is going to come at your place to collect the goods, and then I think your refund will be processed in about 2 or 3 hours. At least that was the case with me, so I did not have any problems with the return process. So coming back to the tie-dye quad set, I felt that it's really inferior for the price that I paid. I think that was for some 1400 rupees. And if I cannot expect the quality to be 100% cotton, at least I can expect like a decent quality in which my skin will be able to breathe, right? So quality wise it was so bad that I decided to just return it, because tie-dye quad sets are something that you feel like wearing on a hot summer day, or when you're just going out to maybe catch a flight, or you have a train to board, or when you're traveling and stuff like that. And for those times you want whatever you're wearing, you want it to be absolutely 100% breezy. So the fitting and everything, I felt that it was nice, but the quality and everything, you'd be sweating in less than 10 minutes, and trust me, that is not something that any of us want during summers or monsoons. So I think this is the only product that would get a thumbs down for me. If you want to go ahead and try it out, I would say give it a pass. In fact, if you guys do know any stores that will have nice tie-dye quad sets, please leave them in the comment section down below, because that is something that I really want to try.
Never know, never know, never know.
Now we're done with 3 categories: tops, jewelry and quad sets, and moving on, I have a pair of jeans with me right here. Now I have been a skinny jeans junkie for the longest time. I never really owned a pair of mom jeans or boyfriend jeans. I think I really like how this looks. It has this double fabric thingy going on, a style that I think is going to look really nice and is going to grab a lot of eyeballs. It's not like a regular pair of denims that you would spot everyone wearing. It's really nice, interesting and quirky. Style wise 10 on 10, quality wise 10 on 10, and size wise also 10 on 10. Which reminds me that I also had to tell you guys about the Urbanic size chart. So please ensure that whatever items you're buying, you check the size chart of each and every item individually, because it's not important that if you're going to fit in a medium in these jeans, you are going to fit in a medium in another pair of jeans as well. I got this top in XS. Initially when I followed the size chart, I had ordered a medium, but when it arrived, it was so loose on me. Like the back and everything, it was drooping and it was just not a flattering fit, and eventually I ended up ordering an extra small. So they do have this discrepancy when it comes to their size charts. I would really advise you guys to check the size chart of each and every item that you are ordering before you go ahead and order your size. Moving on to the miscellaneous items category, I ordered this really beautiful satin finish scarf. Now I had been looking for satin finish scarves since ages. I really like those really cute hairstyles wherein people tie their ponytails in cute satin scarves, and this is something that I had been looking for so long. And in fact, I also checked Zara for satin scarves, but they were so expensive, so exorbitant. I think the scarf that I liked on Zara was for some 990 rupees, almost 1,000 rupees, and 1,000 rupees for a scarf I think is quite a lot. I got this one for I think 300 or 350 rupees. Quality wise, no complaints at all. I don't know if you guys are able to see the beautiful satin sheen that this has. Love the color combination as well. I think I'm going to be styling this in so many of my videos and so many of my outfits. So if you guys are looking for scarf, highly recommend that you guys check out Urbanic. And surprise, surprise, I saved the best item for the last, and it is this beautiful, gorgeous, out of this world night suit pajama set. You guys have no idea how many places I had explored before investing in these. Every store, every online website that I would check, either the prices were too high, or the fitting was too bad, or the color was too loud. I just wanted something exactly in this color combination, and I swear I was so happy when I got this. Amazing quality, love the fit. I got this in size small. In fact, Zivame also has a really nice collection of night dresses, but what this gave me, I don't think I found it anywhere else. I don't know what else to say except the fact that I am in love with it, and probably going to order way more night suit sets from Urbanic for sure, because I am in love. So with that, we have come to the end of this haul video, guys. Please let me know what you think about this haul in the comment section down below. And also I wanted to let you guys know that we have a lot of haul videos coming in this month. We have a Nykaa haul, we have a Zara haul, we have a Myntra and Amazon haul. So you guys know that this is going to be a haul month, if that is a thing. But yes, if you guys like watching haul videos, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. So whenever those videos come up, you guys get notified. Do tell me how you like this video in the comment section down below, and which items were actually your favorite in this haul video. And until then, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!